How to fully line an alligator clip. You're going to need 3/8" ribbon. These are the clips I'm using today, and for this size clip, the ribbon needs to be 7 inches long. Once you have the ribbon the size you need it, heat seal the ends. And I also like to keep an extra alligator clip to help me through the process. It's totally optional, but you'll see why I use it in a moment. Now I'm going to start lining the clip. I'm going to put hot glue down and then lay the ribbon. Once I'm sure I've laid the ribbon down straight, I'm going to use that extra alligator clip to help press the glue in that tight space. Now I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing. Add hot glue and lay the ribbon. For the next part, you need to put hot glue on both sides, and I like to use that extra alligator clip to help it really get pressed down in there. For the next part, I'm going to use that extra alligator clip to help hold this one open. That way, while I'm gluing, if any glue goes through that middle hole, I have time to clean it up before it touches the ribbon on the other side. The last part is just to glue that one last side. Make sure it's pressed really well, and you're done. You have a fully lined alligator clip. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to keep seeing videos like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.